Hello and welcome back to Craft Aura. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tiny antique looking turtle. These are some other projects from the same clay. So I'm going to use molded clay to create this tiny turtle. First we need a packet of molded clay. Then we have to mix both compounds together. I always use Vaseline in the base to avoid stiffness of clay. So here our base is now ready. Just take a portion of clay and roll it like this. Then take a other part of clay and divide it into 6 little balls. 4 balls for the legs, 1 ball for the mouth, and the 6th one for the tail. So have you ever tried something like this from the clay? Tell me in the comment section below. I would love to know from you. I always try and keep my craft very easy and simple so that everyone can try it. And if you want to give me some suggestions about my craft or my content, so you feel free to write it down below. Then take a bigger ball and roll it into cylindrical shape to make head. Now attach this part to the shell of turtle. Take a piece of paper and make a ball of paper like this. Keep the turtle body on the paper ball so that it won't lose its shape while drying. I'm using this tool to make eyes of the turtle. Whatever tools I have used in the video, I have given a purchase link of the tools in the description box below, so that you can go to the purchase link and purchase the tools. Trust me, it gets too easy to create these small objects from the help of the tools. So now my turtle is completely dry. I painted that turtle from black acrylic color. Now you can see it's completely dry. Here I'm using this golden metallic color. You have to take a little bit of color in brush. You don't have to use lots of metallic color. You just have to rub it like this. You don't need to use lots of color. It will give the turtle an antique look after dry. Just paint it like this. If you want me to make a craft of your own choice, then just comment it down below. I will try my 100% to make that for you. Just write it down below. So now my turtle is completely dry. As you can see, it looks amazing. It looks antique. Here you can see some other projects of mine. I made them from the same procedure. I painted them from black acrylic color, then golden. I made this Doraemon, tiny Doraemon, with the same clay, and I painted with acrylic colors. Tell me in comment section below that do you like it or not. If you like the video, just give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe right now. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.